Revani, a semolina cake soaked in syrup. It's soft, it's sweet, it's super simple to cook and tastes amazing, so let's make it. We're going to start by preparing the syrup. Add 475 millilitres or 2 cups of water and 400 grams or 2 cups of sugar to a saucepan and place over medium heat. Stir until the sugar has dissolved, then simmer for 15 minutes. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, remove from the heat and leave to cool. Now let's get started on the cake. To a large mixing bowl, add 3 eggs and 100 grams or half a cup of sugar. Whisk until light and fluffy and the mixture has doubled in volume. Add 236 millilitres or 1 cup of vegetable oil and 220 grams or 1 cup of yogurt. Mix until everything is well combined. Now for the dry ingredients. Add 180 grams or 1 cup of fine semolina, 60 grams or half a cup of plain flour, 48 grams or half a cup of desiccated coconut, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Using a spatula, mix well until you've got a lovely smooth batter. To finish off, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour the batter into a well-greased baking dish and bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. Bake for 30 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. To finish, pour over the cooled syrup and sprinkle over some more desiccated coconut. And that's it, cake's done. Now, if you can resist, I highly recommend you leave the cake to soak in the syrup for at least 3 to 4 hours. It's well worth the wait. And once the cake has soaked up all that lovely syrup, cut into big chunky squares, grab a cup of tea, serve and enjoy.